Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert an image into moon shape in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that convert an image into a moon shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the drawing option, then click for the image option. Now click for browse option, then choose the image. Now select from the file, then open. Then I show the insert from the image. This image convert an moon shape. Now click for the mark image option, then click for the shape option. Now click for the moon option. That is. Now click for the save and close. That is. Then you show convert an image into moon shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my